To move files from your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max to a USB drive, you'll need a USB drive and your iPhone. Since the iPhone 17 has a USB-C port, you can directly connect a USB-C drive. For older USB-A drives, you'll need a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Ensure your USB drive is formatted to exFAT for compatibility with files larger than 4 gigabytes. Connect the USB drive to your iPhone's USB-C port. Your iPhone should recognize the drive automatically. If not, try reinserting the drive and cleaning the port. Some drives may require external power if they draw too much power from the iPhone. Open the Files app on your iPhone. In the Files app, you should see your USB drive listed under Locations. Tap on your iPhone's internal storage, such as On My iPhone, to locate the files you want to transfer. Select the files or folders you wish to move. Long press a file to bring up a menu with options like Copy or Move. Choose Copy if you want to keep the files on your iPhone, or Move to remove them from your iPhone after the transfer. Navigate back to the Locations screen and select your USB drive. Paste the copied or moved files into the desired folder on the USB drive. The transfer speed depends on the size of the files and the USB drive's speed. A 1 terabyte transfer can take 10 to 20 minutes on a good drive.